Well, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the device backup for your Google Pixel 7 phone, your Android phone. So swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, scroll on down, and we want to go to system. Then look for backup under here. So here's backup. Then turn on backup. So you might have this turned off, and this will back up your information to the cloud. So let's just turn this on. You can choose photos if you want. I'm going to turn that on because I'm almost full. Then we can go to confirm. And this should back up your information to your Google account. So if you ever need to access this at any point in time, all you have to do is sync your data and you should be good to go. And you can back up your phone. It says back up now. So I can back this up. You just have to confirm it. So you never have to worry about like your contacts getting lost. You're only allotted, I think, like 15 gigabytes. So if you have a lot of photos and videos, that's probably going to pop up at some point in time that your online storage is full. So that's why I usually don't back up all those. But my other device data, I will. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.